So, okay. So, part 4, we will continue from part 3, that we were seeing this sign of trigonometric relations in different quadrants. So, what you have to remember, just listen to me very carefully, at 90 degree and 270 degree, where at 90 degree and 270 degree, okay, this sine theta will change to cos, cos will change to sine. Tan will change to cot, cot will change to tan, sec will change to cosec, cosec will change to sec. You can see that here cos is changed to sine theta because of this 90 degree. Cos changed to sine theta because of this 90 degree. And at 270 degrees, cos change to sine, cos change to sine. In any other value, you will find cos theta is cos, cos is not changing, cos will remain cos. Similarly, now I will write for sine these formulas for sine. Okay, sine means sine. Sine 90 minus theta. Now, instead of writing that, we can write sine 90 minus theta phi in terms of phi. So, sine 90 minus theta, then sine 90 plus theta, sine 90 plus theta. Okay, if you move from here 90 degrees, so this will be sine, this is pi by 2. Then 180 means pi. Then again pi by 2 plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So, this will become 3 pi by 2. 270 means 3 pi by 2, and then 360 is again 2 pi. 360 is what? 2 pi. So, we will write in terms of pi now. So, 90, sorry. So, this 90 plus theta, 90, that is pi by 2 plus theta, then sine, 180 degree means 180 means pi minus theta, then sine pi plus theta, 180 plus theta. Same thing I am writing in terms of pi. Then okay, then sine 270 minus theta. 270 means 3 pi by 2 sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta. Then sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Then sine 360 minus theta, that means 2 pi minus theta, then sine 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi plus theta, then sine minus theta. These values we have to find out. Okay. So first we will see in which quadrant it lies. Accordingly, we will put there positive and negative. So sine is positive. First quadrant, 90 minus theta means first quadrant. First quadrant sine is positive. For our convenience, I'm writing plus in the starting, and after that you can remove the plus sign. As you know that we are not writing plus in the starting, so that's why. Now it is in the first quadrant. 90 plus theta, we reach to the second quadrant, but sign is positive in second quadrant. 180 minus theta, again second quadrant, plus. Third quadrant, sign is negative. 180 plus theta. Then 270 minus theta, again it is in the third quadrant. Again it is in the third quadrant. So third quadrant negative. Then fourth quadrant negative, fourth quadrant negative, again 360 plus theta, first quadrant positive, and minus theta means again we are in the fourth quadrant, and fourth quadrant is sign is negative. Okay, now you have to check. Just remember 90 degree, this is 90 degree and 270 degree. At these 2 points, sine will become cos theta, sine will become cos theta, cos theta. So sine 90 minus theta, sine 90 plus theta, cos theta, sine 270 minus theta, cos theta, and sine 270 plus theta minus cos theta, minus cos theta. Okay, and all other values are remain same. Means this will be plus sine theta, this will be minus sine theta, this will be minus 270, 360 minus theta, sine theta, 270 plus theta, sine theta, and sine theta. Okay, understood? Now, what is the use of these formulas? So you should, if you remember this one, you can write any formula. I have written for 9 formulas for cos. So 9 for all trigonometrical ratios, each one is 6 nines are 54. So you have these 54 formulas. Okay. So you can write FP sine cos 10, you should know, so that you can easily convert, because sine can be converted in cosec theta easily and cos will be converted into sec theta. So after conversion you can find out. So you should know about sine, cos and tan at least. Okay. So now what is the use of this? The use is, suppose if we have to find the value of, let's say, sine, one more thing, 9 sine, sine 360 plus theta means we reach to this point. If we take 2 rounds, also we will be here. 3 rounds, also we will be here. So this formula is extended 2 pi, 2 n pi. We can say that this formula is, if 363 rounds, after that the formula will be changed, will not change. Sine 2 n pi means any round you can take plus theta, whatever extra you are moving. Suppose after 3 rounds you are moving theta, so then you will come here. After 4 rounds, 3 rounds, 7 rounds, but you will be here. So full round will be taken. The formula will be used same as 360 plus theta plus sine theta. How I am going to tell you from the question, that suppose you have to find the value of sine 930 degree. Sine 930 degree is not an standard value. So how we will reduce it? Okay. So we check that 360. Yes, it is less than 360. Then if you add one more 360, this will become 720. Okay. So this is again more than 720. And one more 360 will be more, I think, because 360 if you will add here, so you get 678 and 1080. So that is more. So it has 2 rounds of 360 degree. Okay. So you can say 930, 2 rounds 360 means 720 minus 720. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 9 minus 7, 210. So it can be written as 2 rounds of 360 degree. That means 360 degree, if you take 2 rounds, you will be reaching to the same point. It is a circular function, plus how much left? 210 degree. So here which formula we will use? We will use now sine 360 degree plus theta is equal to first quadrant sine theta. Correct? This formula apply here, or you can say 2 n also you can write here, n also 360 into n theta, or 2 pi n, 360 into n or 2 pi n, same thing. Okay. So this will reduce to theta. Theta is what here? Theta is 210, so it will reduce to 210 degree. But further we don't know the value of 210. 210 we can write 180 plus 30 degree. Correct? 210 can be split into 180 degree plus 30 degree. 210. Now you can use the formula sine 180 degree plus theta, sine, see that 180 degree plus theta. 180 degree plus theta means, here you have to remember 180 plus theta means third quadrant, and here is positive, all silver teacup. Sine is negative in third quadrant. So sine 180 minus theta will be equal to minus sine theta. Okay. So here it will become minus sine 30 degree. Okay. Now you know this value 30 degree. So this will be minus 1 by 2. Understood? This is the use of these allied angles. These are also called allied angles. Allied angles. 90 minus theta, 270 minus theta, 360 plus theta. These all are allied angles. And I think you understood the use of this one to find any value, whether it is. Now I'll take more questions to use these formulas. You can. Now this is our question number 2 extra question. Suppose we have given negative value. What will you do? Minus 1125 degree. You have to find the value of this. Okay. So first you have to remove this minus theta. You have seen sine minus theta. Sine minus theta. Sine minus theta means which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. Sine minus theta means fourth quadrant. Here all positive. Here sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. So sine is negative. So therefore sine minus theta is minus sine theta. Sine minus theta is what? Minus sine theta. So this minus will go out because of sine. So sine minus sine 1125 degree. Now you have to see how many 360 rounds are there. You can check by dividing 1125 divided by 360 and check what is the answer. So 1125 divided by 360, 3 point something we are getting, 3.125. That means 3 rounds. So 360 into 3. 3 is equal to 0. 3 6 is 18. 3 6 is 9, 1080. That means it is more than 1080, but not up to the fourth round. Okay. So 3 rounds. So how we can write 1180? 1080. What is the difference between 1080 and 1125? Minus, check 1080. 5 minus 0 here, 12. 12 minus 4, 45. So only 45 degree difference is only 45 degree. So that means you can write this as 3 rounds of 360 degree. 3 rounds of 360 degree means 1080 degree and plus 45 degree. If you solve this whole, you will get 1125 degree. Now here you can use the formula sine 2n pi plus theta. 2n pi plus theta means first quadrant 360 plus theta all positive sine theta. Okay, are you getting? So then it will become sine 45 degree. And just you think over it. Do not ask any silly questions. I saw someone asking where it has gone. I am just telling you how to do, how to reduce it, and then you. Sometimes I saw that students are asking, "Sir, 360. This is going on two times, 3 times 360 plus theta first. Then it will reduce to theta. We are reducing. So this will become minus 45 degree. 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So answer is minus 1 by root 2. So whenever negative sign is there, first you will start from minus theta. Less than 1 minute left. If you can join again, I can take for 10 minutes. Otherwise, okay, you can try the exercise. You will find in the exercise your textbook like these questions. Okay, then we will continue according to our class. I think Tuesday, whatever I have written, Tuesday 11 to 12:30, 9, 10. Monday, I think Monday.